everyone, Jack Mac here from Jack Mac's Adventures. What's up, peeps? So, it's long weekend, last long weekend of the summer, Labor Day weekend here in Canada. And yeah, we are going on a camping trip to Algonquin Park. We're going to Mew Lake, can't wait, never been here before. I see all these pictures of Algonquin and they look absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, we're on our way. Well, I just got this message, so I'm taking a video from my cousin, Jackie. We are currently getting on the 407 with my fantastic driver. Nick, a little close up. That was a little close up.
That was a little close.
But what can you do? I'm very close to her. And we all know what I look like, so I don't need to turn the camera around. Well, we're on our way to Algonquin Park for Jack Mac's Adventures. Pulled over because the cousins are only approximately a half hour behind me. So I thought I would surprise them and wait for them and pull up in behind them if they don't see me on the side of the road. And if they're shooting shit and if they're both the way I remember they're driving like that with them, they won't even see me. Oh, he's down? Oh no, he's gonna come up. Probably go to every campsite and do this.
Smaller pieces.
They probably go to every campsite and do this.
I'm not that quick at an action shot. I think you're looking good in the front there, sweetheart.
Oh, you're back. Okay.
Oh, shitball. Like, are you still fucking feeding us? I left because I thought the food was done. This is the really mean one. The bully.
This is what we're going down. I'm gonna step through this.
Betty, where are you? Are you still floating?
She sunk like a rock.
Betty! Is there a blow-up thing down here still?
Yep.
I feel like I'd like a bit more water.
little baby. Jack Max Adventures, Algonquin, Mew Lake, day 2. Hey everyone, Jack Mac here, Jack Max Adventures. Woo! This is day 3, and I'm just gonna go over my messy truck tent. And yeah, I'm gonna flip it around. Today we leave. We're just cooking up some breakfast, and I'm gonna shut up. I'm tired. It was freezing cold last night. Like freezing cold. Got the camping hair, camping hat. I got my blankie over top of my hoodie, and I got my sleeping bag over the fire. Okay, so I'm gonna zip it and we'll look at my truck tent. So, okay, here's my truck. My truck tent doesn't fit right. And Honda Ridgelines, there's no separation here like a normal truck has. So my tent cannot fall. This part here is supposed to fall down here, which pulls the whole tent up. So as you can see now, this has fell over the last 3 days, but it will not set on it, right? This is why I put this tarp here to protect. Let me make sure I don't step in my kayak, because as you can see, that's inside the bed of my truck. So I put the tarp there to protect it. So this is a right line tent. And I also have to bungee cord it because my molding goes down so low that these here are not long enough. The straps aren't long enough. But it doesn't even matter because, like I said, that part won't. Kayak. Yeah, inside of it. It's pretty cool. For ventilation, and because, you know, when you breathe, condensation, all that fun stuff, I open up the flaps. These right line tents, they don't have the bed of the, like, they just, it's just like a glorified tarp over the back of your truck, actually. Other brands, they actually have the bathtub bottoms, so that sits right in the back of your truck like a bathtub. But also with a right line, with a Honda Ridgeline, my bed on my truck is not very long. It's only, I think, a 5-foot bed, I think. So you have to have the tailgate down. Cool, whatever. But the problem is, like, I have this air mattress. This is another reason why it was so cold last night, is from the air mattress, from the air being chilly. But the air mattress comes right out here to my tailgate. So, and because this doesn't fit right, when this is closed, your feet are literally on the door. So it'd be nice if there was a mattress that was this long, or what I did when I went winter camping was I had a foam. So yeah. I also, because I'm camping, I bring in my little porta potty my porta potty, which is a pail. And then I have wipes and I have toilet paper because I'm not getting out of the back of my truck in the middle of the night. It's too crazy. So yeah, it looks a little hobo-ish, but whatever, does the trick. Keeps me off the ground, so when it rains, it's nice because you're off the ground and you do not get damp. But again, it looks a little holy, but it does the trick.
So she went back to cook the little meal. And then my dad would do a big meal, and then my dad would do a big meal and take over a little bit.
Same, right?
Oh, I keep going.
Why is it bad to see? Just like that, we are packed up. Campsite's clean. Truck's normal. Trailer's down.
I'm gonna do it twice.
That's just like that. Our camping trip is over. 3 days in Algonquin. Would I do Mew Lake again? Probably not. But yeah, you gotta get what you get and enjoy what you have. Anyway, stay cool, peeps, and yeah, have a good one. And we are leaving the park. Boom, the wood. Okay, now tune out. That did not work out. Anyway, peace out, peeps. Enjoy.